Alright, so today I'm going to attempt to address the problem with the headphone jack with some phones. I have had this problem twice with my phones and it can get a bit irritating, so I intend to tell you how to fix it basically. So yesterday and like a few hours into today, I realized that my iPhone's headphone jack was not working. It's like really broken because I threw it. That's besides the point. And I had some kind of Galaxy or something a while ago, like a year or something. The headphone jack wasn't working. And I could not, like, people kept telling me to go get it changed or fixed or something, and I just didn't want to do that, so I stayed on the phone. And it kind of bummed me out when I saw today all I really had to do to fix the problem. So basically what I did, I wouldn't really recommend this, like what I did personally, but there's something that I recommend that's kind of like it. I just took an earring thingy, the thing that you put into your ear. I couldn't find a safety pin or anything. Just like wiggled it around in there, and voila, my headphones popped in. But I would suggest like one of those little Q-tip thingies, or probably some kind of safety pin or something that's not too sharp so you don't break anything. Yeah, so you should probably check into something like that first before you do. Now, if that doesn't work, I have no idea. I found a lot of stuff on Yahoo Answers. It may help if that does not help.
I hate you for this.